kind of been destructive with the furniture, beds, doors, tile.
He was able to get in and do some damage in here. We did have a mirror here, but had to take it out because he would always throw stuff at it. We was scared he was gonna bust that. Urinating on there, and I'm sure this tile's gonna have to be ripped out, and the flooring underneath the tile, I'm sure, is badly damaged.
There is no beds for him. The tile's been ripped up. The dresser's been broke. There's like holes in the wall from him.
He's tore this out. We've actually had this put in for our babies to keep the babies out of the kitchen.
Everything was destroyed in here. Before he came, we had a lot of furniture, that living room, kitchen, table, chairs, and from him being the way he was kind of destructive. And now this is what you see. We're trying to rebuild now. So.
And I would just like to say, the sooner we can get help, the sooner we can get our babies back, and that would be awesome. We would hope for next week at the most soonest. Even tomorrow we could probably take a few babies, but we'd like them to feel at home and comfortable. And so if the sooner we can get help, the sooner we can get things done, fixed, and get a lot more kids back that are in need.